Symptoms of a bad power steering pump. The power steering fluid is pressurized and circulated by the power steering pump. The steering gear, which assists in turning your steering wheel, receives this pressurized hydraulic fluid through a hose. Another return pipe feeds the fluid back to the pump as you spin your steering wheel, allowing it to be reused. While your engine is running, this procedure continues, saving you from having to use extra effort to spin the steering wheel. Well, in this video, I'll be discussing the symptoms of bad power steering pumps. Let's get started. 1. There's a squealing sound when you start the car. If your automobile makes noises when you turn the key, your steering pump could need to be changed. Check your accessory belt first because that could potentially be the cause. 2. Power steering fluid leak. Puddles of reddish-brown fluid spilling from your power steering fluid reservoir may appear under your automobile if your power steering pump is malfunctioning. If there has been a drop, you can check for low power steering fluid levels. 3. Steering problems. You may have a faulty power steering pump if turning the wheel becomes visibly challenging while your engine is running. 4. The power steering fluid is gray. Gray power steering fluid is a sign of oxidation and won't function as effectively as it could. The pump may be allowing oxygen to enter the fluid. Metal particles in the fluid are another sign that your steering system needs repair. Before we continue exploring the symptoms of a bad power steering pump, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Simply hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all our informative automotive insights and troubleshooting guides. Let's continue. 5. The level of power steering fluid is low. While doing regular checks under the hood, if you notice your car's power steering fluid is always low, it's time to get your vehicle serviced. A low level of power steering fluid indicates that there may be a leak in your steering system, possibly in your pump. Inspect the area beneath the parking space where your automobile is. 6. Stiff steering wheels. The power steering fluid isn't getting to the parts meant to make steering easier if it requires more effort than usual to spin your wheel. It could be a malfunctioning pump. 7. Puddle leaks underneath your car. Leaks are a prevalent issue with power steering pumps. If your puddles have the typical reddish-brown hue of power steering fluid, you know what that means. Your automobile needs to be sent to the auto shop right away. In summary, recognizing the symptoms of a bad power steering pump is essential for keeping your vehicle's steering system in top shape. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with fellow car enthusiasts who might benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips to maintain your vehicle's performance and safety. Thanks for watching, and may your journeys be filled with smooth steering.